Hello, everyone. My name is Kaylee. I'm one of the PCAs for the University of Central Florida, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some study tips that I can sort of walk you through in regards to your e-text today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. We're going to start on your course home. So this is what it should look like when you first log into your Pearson program. If you go onto the left side there is the Pearson e-text tab. Go ahead and click that. Open your e-textbook and it should launch up for you. Here's your text. Depending on what unit you are or what lesson you are, it might look different than mine. But I just wanted to go through and show you guys some of these really cool programs and tips that they have embedded inside of the e-text. New feature that is being introduced into your Pearson textbooks is this little AI study tools guide down here. This is in beta, so it is very open to your feedback. If you would like to take a look at it and utilize it, we definitely suggest utilizing it. I think it's really cool personally. Let's say you are trying to study before a quiz, or maybe you just want to get a bit of a summary of the chapters before you go into your lecture. You can hit summarize something for me, whole chapter, send it out, and it will summarize the entirety of, for example, chapter 4 here. So it's got all of the summaries there for you. Super convenient. You can hit new topic. What can I help you with next? Let's say practice. Sure, where should I pull those questions from? The current section. What are we looking for? We're looking for multiple choice. Hit off send. It'll provide you with questions. What is the role of greenhouse gases and climate change? I'm going to say that one. I was right. Correct. And it explains it for you. You can hit the next. It'll go on to the next question. And you can just keep generating those questions until you're done and you think you've got a good handle on it. So I'll go ahead and say I'm done. Maybe you're confused on something. I need something explained. Let's explain stoichiometry. Loading. Stoichiometry. And here it is. It's providing me a bit of a, step-by-step guide and how to do different aspects of stoichiometry right here for students. So if you're someone who maybe needs a little bit of extra help on something like stoichiometry, it's great to have it explain it to you. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Convert the given amount of reactants to products or moles. So definitely useful when you're having a little confusion. I personally like that it also adds limiting reagents and percent yields because I think those can also be confusing for students. So really, really cool that it is able to do that. You could do a new topic and you could say compare and contrast physical and chemical changes. And it should give you a list of comparisons and contrastings of the key differences of physical and chemical changes. These are all pulled from your textbook. It's not pulling from the web. It's pulling from what your professors have already, marked off as being what they want students to look at and want students to learn. So it's not coming from somewhere random. It's coming from your textbooks, and it does really help. Those practice problems earlier don't affect your grade. They're just for your self-study guides. And it's really helpful, especially if you're reviewing before an exam and just want to get something done. Definitely suggest checking out the AI study tools. It's just a great time saver, I think, and it's also really cool. It is in beta, so you might encounter a couple glitches here and there, but if you are summarizing, say, a whole section and you think it did a good job, you can always provide us with feedback negative, positive, or export it if you would like to put it on a Google Doc. So that is all I did want to speak about regarding what is included in your e-textbook. I am also going to go over what you can find in your mastering course in general, but just for now, I figured we would go over what is embedded in the text in this video. So thank you for joining me. Good luck on the rest of your semester, and have a great rest of your day.